Zeke, you ready for your first unveiling?
Sir.
You are?
Sir.
All right, let's pick something out. Pick out anything.
This.
Oh, what we got? Surgeon Sparks, 3 booster packs. All right, let's do it. Which one you want to open first, Zeke? You want to open this one first? Let's do it. Surgeon Sparks first came out in 2024. And out of the pool cards, we are looking for a Latios EX or a Pikachu EX. We're going to get that Pikachu with Zeke. You think so? Well, I got faith in it. You got energy card? All right, go for it, Zeke. Ding. Tauros. Lucius Appeal. Magneton. Buffalo Ant. Scatterbug. Mesprit. Castform. Mankey. And... oh!
It's not in top 10.
No, it's not. But it's a beautiful card. It's a double rare. All right, which one's next, Zeke?
Yep.
That one? All right, let's do it. Once again, we're looking for the Latios EX or the Pikachu EX. We really like that Pikachu. Zeke wants to add it to his collection. Trust Zeke.
Yay! It's going to do the most expensive.
It is. All right, energy card. All right, go for it, Zeke. Watro. Passimian. Breathii. Ninetales. Duraludin. Applin. Bronzer. Sizzlepede. And what we got? Cyrano. One more, Zeke. And Gouging Fire. Wah, wah, wah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Got our last pack of Surgeon Sparks for the night. You ready, Zeke? Last chance. Pikachu EX or Latios EX? Energy card. All right, let's go, Zeke. Rufflet. Amarage. Walrein. Cobra Bear. Zangoose. Quaxley. Drillbur. Meryl. Dialga. And...
Nope.
no, Zarude.
It talks.
Wah, wah, wah.
Either way, that. Hey, everybody, Zeke.
And Dad. Thank you for watching. Everybody, please remember to like, subscribe to our channels. Feel free to leave any comments you want for Zeke to tell us what you want us to open or any feedback you have at all. He would love to hear it.
I'm going to catch them all.